Hello friends, today's video is about last Sunday's breakfast and my Sunday morning was really a happy one as my husband made the food and I was only assisting him. For breakfast we had chicken barista sandwich. Now let's get started. The filling for sandwich is ready. For the filling, saute onion and ginger garlic paste in oil and then add chicken cubes marinated in soya sauce, vinegar and corn flour. Cook till it's tender. Add tomato sauce and chili sauce. Once the filling is ready, add generous amount of mayonnaise and mix it well. Now comes the hero component of the sandwich, the barista. To make this barista, thin onion slices are fried and some sugar is added to caramelize it. There are many videos on YouTube on how to make barista. But if you want me to share it in detail, do let me know. Now on a toasted bread, adding a mix of tomato sauce and mustard sauce. The ratio of tomato sauce to mustard sauce would be around 15:1, like more or less. Now place some tender cabbage leaves on it and then spread the chicken mayonnaise filling. Adding our special ingredient, barista. And the sandwich is ready. Now let's serve the breakfast. Here goes the sandwich. Some slices of cucumber. You can sprinkle some salt or chaat masala on it. Luckily, my daughter is not a big fan of added salt. Then some chips. Lychee pudding, which I got from a local grocery store, and sweets for her. The breakfast is ready. Do try this sandwich and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Yeah.